I am Jahara the Abid, BSN 1 from Nightingale. So today I will be reporting vitamins, and that is vitamin A. Vitamin A, a vital nutrient for vision, growth, and immunity. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin essential for various bodily functions, including vision, growth, cell division, reproduction, and immunity. It also possesses antioxidant properties protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. So, chemistry of vitamin A. Vitamin A encompasses a group of related compounds including retinol, retinal, and retinoic acid. These compounds are collectively referred to as retinoids. So, what is retinol, retinal, and retinoic acid? So, number 1, retinol is a primary form of vitamin A found in animal products and is crucial for vision and cell growth. So, basically, ang retinol ay mahanap lang natin sa animal products and nakakatulong ito sa ating self-growth. And number 2 is retinal, is an aldehyde form of retinol involved in vision, especially in the conversion of light into electrical signals in the retinal. Number 3, retinoic acid is an acid form of retinol essential for cell growth, differentiation, and development. And additionally, provitamin A carotenoids such as beta-carotene are plant-based pigments that the body can convert into a retinol. So, function of vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a critical role in various bodily functions, and that is a vision. Retinol is converted into retinol, which combines with the protein opsin to form on rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment essential for both low-light vision, and that is scopic vision and color vision. So, cell growth and differentiation. Retinoic acid is crucial for regulating cells growth and differentiation, playing a vital role in brain development and growth. Immune function. Vitamin A supports the immune system by stimulating the production and activity of white blood cells, particularly T cells, which protect the body from infection. And the third is epithelial tissue. Maintenance. Vitamin A helps maintain the health of epithelial tissues, including the skin, mucous membranes lining the internal body surface, and the lining of the respiratory tract, intestines, lungs, bladder, and the inner ear. So, the last one is reproductive health. Vitamin A is essential for healthy pregnancy and breastfeeding. And vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency, in short VAD, is a significant public health concern, particularly in developing countries. It can lead to various health problems, including night blindness, stereopalmia, impaired immune function, and growth retardation. So number 1 is night blindness. This is an early symptoms of VAD where individuals have difficulty seeing in low light condition. Number 2, stereopalmia. This condition involves darkness of the conjunctiva membrane covering the white part of the eye and cornea, the transparent art layer of the eye, potentially leading to blindness. And the third one is impaired immune function. VAD or VAD weakens the immune system, increasing the risk of infection and mortality, especially in children. So the last one is growth retardation. Vitamin A is essential for growth and development, and deficiency can lead to stunt growth children. So, source of vitamin A. Vitamin A is found in both animal and plant. So, this is a very common na ang vitamin daw ay we can found in animal and plant. So, 100% that this is correct. So number 1 is perform vitamin A retinol. This is found in animal products such as liver, fish liver oils, dairy product, wool milk, cheese, butter, eggs, and some fortified foods. So number 2 is provitamin and carotenoids. These are found in plant-based foods, particularly colorful fruits and vegetables such as dark green leafy vegetables, and that is spinach, kale, collard greens, and chards. Number 2 is orange fleshed vegetables, and that is carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and squash. And the last one is yellow and orange fruits, and that is mangoes, papayas, and apricots. So we have daily intake. The recommended daily allowance RDA of vitamin A for adults is 900 micromilligrams for men and 700 for women. So, vitamin A is a vital nutrient that plays as a crucial role in maintaining vision, growth, cell division, reproduction, and immunity. A balanced diet rich in both animal and plant source of vitamin is essential of optimal health. However, it's important to note that excessive intake of vitamin A can be toxic. So, it's always best to consult with your doctor before taking any supplement. So, the last one that I mentioned it, so it's really important na before we take some medicine or something, we need to go to our doctor talaga. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng iinom lang ng, gikonsulta lang ng ibang tao na sabi nila, try this one, maybe it can help you, but don't believe it. Maybe it can help you, pero ngayon lang. Pero how about the past in the sa kasalukuyan na maaring makaapekto ito sa'yo. So, planting some of vegetable in our backyard is really important to us because that's a a lot of vitamins and minerals that we can help. Okay naman na kumain tayo ng some meat, pero salihan din natin ito ng mga prutas or di kaya vegetables kasi para ma-balance natin ang ating kalusugan. So that's all. I am Jahara Abid, BSN 1 from Nightingale. Thank you.